Having Django serve downloadable files. I want users on the site to be able to download files whose paths are obscured so they cannot be directly downloaded. For instance, I'd like the URL to be something like this: http://example.com/download/?f equals somefile.txt. And on the server, I know that all downloadable files reside in the folder. Is there a way to make Django serve that file for download as opposed to trying to find a URL and view to display it?
For the best of both worlds, you could combine s.lot's solution with the sendFile module. Django generates the path to the file, or the file itself, but the actual file serving is handled by Apache/LiteTPD. Once you've set up mod_sendFile, integrating with your view takes a few lines of code. Of course, this will only work if you have control over your server, or your hosting company has mod_sendFile already set up. Edit. MIME type is replaced by content_type for Django 1.7. Edit. For Nginx check this, it uses XXL redirect instead of Apache X sendFile header.
A download is simply an HTTP header change. See this URL for how to respond with a download. You only need one URL definition for /download. The requests get or post dictionary will have the f equals somefile.txt information. Your view function will simply merge the base path with the f value, open the file, create and return a response object. It should be less than 12 lines of code.
For a very simple but not efficient or scalable solution, you can just use the built-in Django serve view. This is excellent for quick prototypes or one-off work, but as has been mentioned throughout this question, you should use something like Apache or Nginx in production.
S.lot has the good/simple solution, and ELO80K has the best/efficient solution. Here is a better/middle solution. No server setup, but more efficient for large files than the naive fix. This URL, basically, Django still handles serving the file, but does not load the whole thing into memory at once. This allows your server to, slowly, serve a big file without ramping up the memory usage. Again, s.lot's xsendFile is still better for larger files. But if you can't or don't want to bother with that, then this middle solution will gain you better efficiency without the hassle.
Just mentioning the file response object available in Django 1.10. Edit, just ran into my own answer while searching for an easy way to stream files via Django, so here is a more complete example to future me. It assumes that the file field name is imported_file. Views.py. urls.py.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.